Hello and welcome to Geometric Composition, studying the artwork of Sarah Morris. So last time we talked about tracing our shapes using tangrams. Of course, you want to write your name on your paper first. And I'm just using my tangram tools to create a design on my paper. I'm matching the edges up to each other, seeing what fits where. If I like the way it looks, I trace it. You might want to lay your pieces out on your paper first to see if you can come up with a design, or you might want to just go piece by piece like I'm doing in this video, kind of deciding as you go along. There are lots of ways that you can fill up your paper with shapes. This is just one way. And your paper does not have to look like this. Yours can look however you want. This is your world. Alright, so after we've got a good sketch, we're going to outline our lines with marker. I'm using black in this video, but you don't have to outline your shapes with black. You could use a different color. But black is a nice one to use because it's easy to cover up little mistakes. Using a dark color for your outline is kind of an easy way to be able to cover up any kind of little tiny mistakes that you make right there. There we go. I'm using the side of my marker tip to get some nice thick lines here. I'll go over this first parallelogram. I didn't get the lines quite thick enough, so I want them to look nice and uniform. There we go. And I'm just going to go through the rest of my picture a little quicker now. Notice I'm turning the paper to make it easier for me to make straight lines. When you're done outlining, you're going to put that marker away. You're going to be thinking about the colors you want to use in your works. Sarah Morris tends to use analogous colors and some complementary colors. So here I've got reds, purples, and a little bit of green. And then the first one, it was greens, blues, and orange. So when you're ready, pick 3 or 4 colors. And in my case, I'm picking a greenish blue, and I'm going to actually get 2 different colors of orange. So I got this kind of bright orange here, and I'm also going to get this other kind of dull orange. And later on I'll end up using pink too. So I've got some analogous or related colors with my oranges and pink because they all contain red. And I've got some complementary colors because my bluish green is the opposite of orange and red. Go. There's the pink. And now I felt like I had too much empty space on my paper, so if you finish early and you've still got a lot of empty space, you might decide to fill some of that up by creating some more shapes and then using a new background color, something you haven't used yet. I chose a light color, yellow. Light colors tend to work better for backgrounds. But again, you can use whatever you choose. This is your art. Well, this is what I ended up with. I hope you end up with something that you like and that it looks something like what we learned from Sarah Morris. Bye for now.